Let's learn and speak. Hello everyone and dear children, once again welcome back to Let's Learn and Speak French with English. Before entering into the video, please consider to subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for more interesting and upcoming videos. Bonjour à tous. Bienvenue sur ma chaîne dédiée à l'apprentissage du français. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel dedicated to learning French. Aujourd'hui, nous allons apprendre à prononcer les sons AIL et AILLE en français. Today we are going to learn how to pronounce the sounds AIL and AILLE in French. How do we pronounce the French letter combination AIL and AILLE in French? Comment prononce-t-on les sons AIL et AILLE en français? Let's get started. Allons-y. The pronunciation of the letter combination AIL in French is a bit tricky and is close to the pronunciation of the English word I, or close to the pronunciation of the English letter I. It means simply we have to say A and then adding the sound of the letter Y at the end. A, E, I. AIL is pronounced in French as I. It is similar to the pronunciation of the letter Y in shy. Let us see some examples. Le portail. Le portail. The gate. Le portail. The gate. Mon travail. Mon travail. My work. Mon travail. My work. L'ail. L'ail. The garlic. L'ail. The garlic. Le vitrail. Le vitrail. The stained glass window. Le vitrail. The stained glass window. L'éventail. L'éventail. The fan. L'éventail. The fan. Le chandail. Le chandail. The sweater. Le chandail. The sweater. Un détail. Un détail. A detail. Un détail. A detail. Le bétail. Le bétail. Livestock. Le bétail. Livestock. Épouvantail. Épouvantail. Scarecrow. Épouvantail. Scarecrow. Now let us see the pronunciation of the letter combination AILLE. It is pronounced exactly the same as the pronunciation of the letter combination AIL. It is because of the reason the letter O at the end of the letter combination AILLE usually should not be pronounced. The letter E at the end of a word is not pronounced according to the French grammar rule. So the pronunciation of the French sound AILLE is same as the pronunciation of AIL. I. Let us see some examples. La taille. La taille. The size. La taille. The size. Une paille. Une paille. A straw. Une paille. A straw. La bataille. La bataille. The battle. La bataille. The battle. Il travaille. Il travaille. He works or he is working. Il travaille. He works. Well, I hope you will be having a best practice with this perfect video lesson with visual and auditory examples. Let us meet in the next video with some more French sounds. Until then, please keep watching my channel. Merci d'avoir regardé cette vidéo. Rencontrons-nous dans la prochaine vidéo avec un autre son français. En attendant, continuez à regarder ma chaîne. Merci et à bientôt. Thanks everyone for watching this video. Please subscribe for more interesting videos.